By the way, there are many Muslim scientists in the history. All these scientists are basic of the modern science. Even today there are scientists who are Muslims, but there are few in number. There are many Muslim scientists in the history. But in this video I will tell you about a few Muslim scientists. Hi, I am Sadumar and you are watching Geo Library. So, the first is Muhammad bin Musa al-Khwarizmi. He was born in Khwarizm, Uzbekistan. He contributed an authority on richly in the field of the mathematics, astronomy and geography. He worked on arithmetic, algebra and astronomical tables. He systematized the Greek and the Hindu mathematical knowledge. He laid the foundation of the geographical science in the Arabic. His famous books include Hisab al-Hind, Al-Jama wa Tafriq, etc. Second, Jabir bin Hayyan, also known as Jabir in the West. He prepared many important chemicals like nitric acid, sulfuric acid, and hydrochloric acid. He is considered as the godfather of the modern chemistry. He is famous for his various chemical techniques and processes like reduction, sublimation, distillation, melting, and crystallization. He prepared the basic lead carbonate antimony from their sulfurs, preparations of steel, dyeing cloth, and leather. His famous books include Kitab al-Rahma, Books of 70, Kitab al-Tajmi, etc. Third, Abu Ashik Kindi. He was born in Basra, Iraq. He was a great physicist also known as Al-Kindus in the West. He wrote a treatise on geometrical and the physiological optics. He worked on the metrology, music, specific weight, tides, optics, and the reflection of the light. His famous treatises included the De Aspectibus, etc. Fourth, Zikria al-Razi. He was a Persian Muslim and a great physician. His fields of interest were physics and chemistry. He was the most brilliant pillar of the Islamic medicine along with the Ibn Sina. He has also contribution in the fields of the music, philosophy, mathematics, astronomy, and ethics. He earned the title of the father of the pediatrics by writing his monogram on the disease in children. He believed in the four integral principle in the metaphysics, namely creator, soul, matter, time, and space. He is the first Muslim scientist to classify the subtrons into the vegetables, animals, and minerals. His famous books are including Arabian Medicine, Al-Hawi, Kitab al-Mansuri, etc. Fifth, Bu Ali Sina. He was born in Afshana near Bukhara, Turkestan. He contributed to medical science, philosophy, logic, mathematics, astronomy, and the music. He was an unforgettable physician of all the times. He was well known as Avicenna in the West. He wrote no less than the 230 books and treatises. Qanun of Avicenna, consisting the approximately a million words, is the most influential textbook even written. His books include Al-Shifa, Nafia, etc. Sixth, Al-Biruni. He was born in Khwarizm, Uzbekistan. He was simultaneously a physician, astronomer, mathematician, physicist, geographer, and a historian. He also explained the problem of the advanced trigonometry. He discovered that the light travels faster than the sound. He gave the understanding to the any terms of the longitude and the latitude. His famous books include the Tahqiq al-Hind, Qanun al-Musdi, etc. Seventh, Ibn al-Haytham. He was born in Basra, Iraq. He was an outstanding mathematician, physiologist, and optician. He explained the reflection of the light rays through the transparent objects, discovered the magnified lens and the function of the retina as a set of the vision. He identified the gravity as a force, a theory which was later on developed by Newton. His famous books include the Kitab al-Manazir on twilight phenomena, configuration of the universe, etc. 8th, Ibn al-Baitar. He was born in Malaga, Spain. He was a great Spanish Muslim botanist and the pharmacist. He discovered many new plants and extracted medicinal drugs from them. This work was considered an authority in the plant and gave the new orientation to the classification and the nomenclature of the plant kingdoms over which modern botany is based. His famous books include Kitab al-Jami fi Aqiya, Jami, Mughani, etc. 9th, Ibn Rushd. He was born in Spain, better known as Averroes in the West. He contributed to philosophy, mathematics, medicine, astronomy, and logic. He was authority on the fiqh. He investigated the astronomy at the length and discovered the sunspots. His famous books include the Hafut al-Tafat, Kitab Fazl al-Makal, etc. 10th, Al-Mawardi. He was born at Basra, Iraq. He was expert on the diverse subjects like religion, ethics, literature, and politics. His famous books include Al-Haya wa Tabiyan, Al-Ahkam al-Sultan, etc. 11th, Nadir al-Din Tosi. He was born in Tos, Iran. He contributed to the fields of astronomy, mathematics, optics, geography, philosophy, logic, music, mineralogy, and ethics. He built the Maraga building for astronomical experiment, observatory for the astronomical research. His famous books include Qawaid al-Handasa, Kitab Shakal al-Qata, etc. 12th, Abdul Qasim al-Zahrawi, known as Mamun in the West. He was born in Spain. He was a great surgeon. He invented many surgical appliances. He was also the physician as well as excellent dentist. Al-Tasrif is the most famous books of Abdul Qasim al-Zahrawi. 13. Al-Batani. He was the excellent observer of lunar and solar eclipse. He has great command in trigonometry and he established the relation between the side and the angles of the spherical triangle. He explained the phenomena of equinox, the point when day and night times become equal. He prepared the Islamic lunar calendar. His famous books was Kitab al-Zikr. So these were some famous historical Muslim scientists. And there are many historical Muslim scientists. If I start explaining them in this video, the video will become very long. In this video, I have told you about some Muslim scientists of history. If you want to see top largest countries by area, then take the right side of the screen. If you want to see the complete Salwa Canal project of Saudi Arabia, then take the left side of the screen.